right here, so closely on the side, the 3M tape is straight on below this one. So it won't stick correctly over here.
Okay.
On the beginning and the end of the light, it won't stick correctly. The
So maybe that's where we'll put the.
This one, it's only a stuff to clean where we're gonna stick all the tape and everything to remove all the grease and everything. Fingerprints. Oh. I'm gonna stick it directly here. You just figure out where we're gonna put it. And see, it doesn't stick correctly over here. But here, it's the start of the edge like this. So it won't, the start there, it looks like this. So it stick up. When it stick up like this, you just put a little bit more pressure. And when you go more deep inside the crack, it goes there inside the crack. So you will have more glow straight in the middle.
So you're wedging the glow into the louver.
We're trying to.
Yeah.
And you see, it start to peel off.
Right.
I don't touch it. I will clean everything, and it start to lift up a bit.
So then we'll use the tape.
Yep. Just cut the good part of it.
Stuck from here all the way across, leaving this exposed.
I stick it before on the light, after going. It's kind of pretty tricky because it's not like a real masking tape, so it doesn't move the way I want it to move. So you need to be straight up directly from the beginning
I see.
if you want to have a real smooth look. This one doesn't want to stick it. Or just put one like this.
Yeah, but maybe like as far up so that you get as much. That's okay. I just want to get this part down.
For my personal thought, I'm not sure if that will stick on a long time.
Okay.
And it's not like really clean as when you take a look at it. Yeah.
may need to do this on another truck to see how it actually holds. This can only be done at the installer who does the visor. We're going to be putting the visor back in the boxes as two separate pieces. Clip like this that would attach here.
Yeah. Bolt on top, and it will stay straight. So that thing won't goes up, won't move. It will stick there.
What happens there? How does it attach here? It doesn't have to?
Doesn't have to. It will be sticking directly to this.
So it'll be like this?
Yeah, just hold it down. So it won't move, it won't shake. We'll just hold this one down.
Okay, so it would be screwed here. It would go here and cover this.
Yep.
And that's it. It would not be attached here.
Nope.
Okay. Here. One here. One there. What? It'll be like that. Sorry. One here. One here. One there. Okay, and it's just attached at the top there. Right there. Okay, so basically you remove the rivets to put those holes?
Normally on the other side, the other truck, you will have rivets there, rivets there, rivets. And you need to drill them, put insert, and put the visor back. On yours we will use this bolt and this one there. Because that kind of visor, it's a multi-cab you can install, and it's mostly to go on side of 389. 389, they got the bracket for the mirror over there and not on the door. So we just move it like this, your visor.
Okay. Testing for the threads inside the wellness.
Because there were a lot of rust. So we're just cleaning all the threads. We just punch it in the middle, so my drill mesh will stick inside the middle and not going out. We first drill 1/8, and after a quarter, so the head will fall down, and after we can push the rest inside. Dobro, lico. This on the line you got over there with the tools, they will crimp together behind the plate or behind the material you will put this in, and it will be exactly the same way as a nut.
Right.
And you just put the bolt inside and thread.
Show the inside. And you just put the bolt right through there. This tool to put the well nut into the rivet hole, and then he puts the bolt into the well nut.
Put it like this, and it's like the same way as a ratchet. Just ratchet it on top, and it will crimp directly inside. If we're installing this one for real, we're just gonna test fit the side cap hole if everything is going correct, and we can drill it and put the screw inside. And we're gonna mark the middle bar. We're gonna remove everything and put back the middle bracket, drill it the cab, put the insert, put the screw, put the middle bracket first, and right after it, we're gonna put the visor on the middle bracket, and right after that you can put the screw on each side, put the silicone and everything, and close each side.
The bigger the hole will fit in. Nice and smooth.
Okay. Kind of big, man.
Look, they reflect off the hood.
Tray in the windshield. And inside the windshield, when it's all dark outside, you cannot see outside.